I got to figure out how I'm going to get those off, but that shouldn't be a problem. So I'll go ahead and get that broke loose, find everything I need. We're gonna need another 15. Thinking. Well, that don't make a whole lot of room in there for you. There we go. Well, it's interesting. All right. Pull this back out. Pull it back out. See what time it is, and maybe time to go pick that stuff up. Alright. Look at baby. We'll be putting it back together. Thanks for watching so far. Alright. And I get this drive shaft put back in. As you can see, I went ahead and I'm doing the double boot. We're going to get some grease inside the boots. And on those. And I've got the bolts out of the drive, out of the front diff. Front diff's kind of turned up. This side goes in here. Pushed in there. That's gonna go like that. We'll get this boot shoved on there. This boot shoved on here. I'm gonna have to do one more. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bolts. Run back through. That one started. Hold on, we'll go ahead and get that one started in there, and then get this one. Big hands in the way, but went straight in. And those are 15s. We'll get them put in there the rest of the way. That one's in. That one's in. So now all we gotta do is tighten these up. We'll get them tightened up. And then once I have the diff bolts tightened, then we can tighten that front A-arm bolt. Then we'll put, we got these bands. I'll use these style bands right here because that's what I've got. Clip them off, and we'll be back together pretty quickly. All right, that's what I was looking for that. Hold it up in there. Yes, I'm gonna put these on. These 15. Let me get in here. Bolt back in. Bolt back in, I'll get it. Alright, I'm buttoning up the last tire here. Got the boots on, got the fans on. I really hope that this video helps y'all that are looking at having to do these solid motor mounts. I really hope this video helps y'all out and answers some questions, and doesn't necessarily deter you, but it is a chore, it's a task, but it can be done very easily, very simple. You just need, you know, some mechanical skill and some want to, and it's not a bad little job to do. If everything goes right for you and you're doing this on like a new machine, I think it'd probably take you about 2 hours. But with, you know, mud being up in some brackets and having to dig that stuff out and having big hands, and then what happened with that top bushing with it being torn, I think if that hadn't been the case, it wouldn't have taken me near as long to do it. This probably took, I've been working on it little by little, certain days. Of course, I was waiting on the boots, waiting on brake pads to come in to get this thing back up and going. I got one more little task, that's take off the, or put back the skid plate, and it's done. And so, it won't be much longer, and this thing will be ready to go.